Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll get an overview of the calendars in LeadCenter. Each user has their own calendar, and all calendars can be accessed from the blue menu on the left by clicking Calendars. By default, this opens your personal calendar, or the last one you viewed in your previous session. The calendar is divided into sections. These sections include the header, a filter bar, and a view selector that lets you switch between today's events: monthly, weekly, daily, or list view. In the header, your name and profile picture appear on the left. On the right, you can view other users' calendars side by side with your own. For example, if you select 2 or 3 calendars, the system will display them side by side. Your appointments appear in gray, Michael's in blue, and John Smith's in green. If you switch to month view, all appointments across selected calendars will be shown for that view. Click Clear All to reset the view back to your personal calendar. You can also filter appointments by type from the header on the top right. For example, to see only appointments linked to contacts, select that option from the filter. The calendar will update accordingly. To reset this filter, click the X next to the selected option. This will return the view to your default calendar. You can also filter appointments by category. For example, selecting Allocation/Onboarding Meeting will filter the calendar to show only that category. If any appointments match the selected category, they'll appear on the calendar. You can also filter for other types, like customer service appointments. Click the X to reset the category filter. You can also filter appointments by source, based on where the appointment was created. Is it coming from LeadCenter, Redtail, Google, or Microsoft? LeadCenter calendars support integration with all 3 external sources. Redtail items appear in red, Google in green, Microsoft in yellow, and LeadCenter tasks are shown in purple. You can choose to display tasks on your calendar. On the right side of the screen, you'll also find the Create button for new appointments. From the Create button, you can schedule appointments, internal meetings, free or busy blocks, or review reminders. Each item is explained in more detail in other videos. When you create a task, it's saved in the task table, not in the calendar or appointment section. To view other users' calendars, use the Select Calendar button to switch between them. For example, if you select John's calendar, you'll see his appointments right away in your view. You can switch back and view other calendars, like Janet's. Use the Public Calendar link button to copy and share your calendars with other users. In LeadCenter, you can create multiple public calendar links. For example, one for client reviews and another for first appointments. Click the Calendar Settings button to manage your preferences. From here, you can configure availability, reminders, and other calendar options. If you need to configure settings for another user, just select their name from the drop-down. No need to switch back and forth between calendars. Clicking the Back button returns you to the main calendar view. From here, you can switch between day, week, and month views. Use the arrow buttons to move through your calendar by day, week, or month. In Day View, click Today to jump back to the current date. This wraps up the calendar overview. Watch the other videos to learn more about creating appointments and managing your calendar. Thank you.